Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best in skincare. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Moroccanoil with their highly acclaimed Body Souffle. If you're looking to indulge in a premium skincare experience, this is the product for you. The Moroccanoil Body Souffle is renowned for its exceptional quality and nourishing properties. Enriched with argan oil, squalane, and a blend of avocado and macadamia seed oils, it's designed to hydrate and soften your skin like never before. What sets this body souffle apart? It's not just a moisturizer, it's a lavish treat for your skin. The formula is light and whipped, making it easy to apply and quick to absorb. Perfect for daily use, it leaves your skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth, without any greasy residue. For optimal results, apply liberally to damp or dry skin. Massage gently until fully absorbed, and enjoy the immediate hydration and luxurious scent of fragrance Originale. Let's talk about the benefits. Beyond hydration, this souffle enhances your skin's natural radiance and elasticity. It's suitable for all skin types, making it a versatile addition to your skincare routine. Why should you choose Moroccanoil? Well, apart from its stellar reputation in hair care, Moroccanoil has translated its expertise into creating premium body care products that deliver real results. Their commitment to quality ingredients and effective formulations shines through in every application. While we don't focus on customer reviews, it's worth noting that the Moroccanoil Body Souffle has received high praise from users worldwide. Many have commented on its luxurious feel and lasting hydration, making it a favorite among skincare enthusiasts. In conclusion, if you're looking to pamper yourself with a body moisturizer that goes beyond basic hydration, the Moroccanoil Body Souffle is your go-to choice. With its rich blend of oils and delightful scent, it's a treat for the senses and a must-have in your beauty arsenal. That wraps up our review of the Moroccanoil Body Souffle. If you've tried this product or have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more skincare insights on Product Critique. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.